I'm Lily Martin. I grew up in Southeast Asia and I enjoy cooking, so I'll be showing you how to make authentic meals from around the world. Hello, Nandam Thai Mo, and welcome back to our international cooking show. In today's video, I'm going to prepare a dish from Egypt that is called Ful Medames or fava bean stew. But before that, I would like to share a few facts about this country. It has a population of over 114 million people, and the main religion is over 90% Islam. And its original alphabet had over 700 hieroglyphs. And one more interesting fact about the land of the pyramids is that it has the longest river in Africa, the second longest in the world. And if you can guess what those two rivers are, write us back in the comment section. So now let's jump into the meal that we're going to prepare today. This meal was originally a breakfast even in the 4th century. It is made from dry fava beans that were cooked with buried embers or in copper pots overnight. In fact, the word medames comes from a Coptic word meaning buried. Fava beans are dry sisal beans from the same species as the green broad beans. Ful has become a staple meal, traditionally served in a large metal jug and eaten at any time of the day. So let's get started. For the main ingredients, you will need fava beans and onion, tomato, lemon, parsley, and ground cumin, salt, olive oil, and garlic. Today, I'm going to show you the dry fava beans and the canned version of preparing this. First, let's talk about the traditional dry fava beans. The dry fava bean looks like this one. Just remember to use the brown dry beans and not the green ones. You do not need to remove the skin on the beans. We soak them overnight, then cook them for about 5 hours on low heat. After cooking them, this is what it looks like. So you can see, and now it's ready to eat. It has a very strong aroma, and something about aroma was familiar to me. Now concerning the canned version, it's easier to find in the grocery store, and you can literally just dump into the saucepan and you do not even have to cook it. But today we will be frying them and we're going to prepare the canned version of this. So let's cut the veggies now. Okay, I'm going to cut the tomato here. We'll use them for topping. We'll slice and dice the tomato. I'll use only half of this onion. We want to cut the tomatoes and onions into two-way dice. Now let's chop the parsley. If you don't have parsley, you can use cilantro. Okay, now let's crush the garlic and the lemon. I use 4 cloves of garlic. And then slice the lemon into half and squeeze them into the garlic. Some people like to use jalapeno or like bell pepper. Since I use the canned fava bean, before we cook them, I need to drain the water. Okay, now we turn our burner into medium high heat. Dump the fava bean into saucepan. You can use a skillet or a saucepan. We'll add half a cup of water and let it boil for a few minutes. Okay, and then we'll add a teaspoon of salt and then a teaspoon of ground cumin. If you have a potato masher, you can use it. If you don't have it, then you can use just the bag of the fork. So you have to mash them really good so they're soft. And now I'm going to add the garlic and lemon juice. I might want to turn it to low heat. Okay. And then I'm going to add olive oil. Okay. Now it's done. So turn over butter. Okay, we top with the tomato that we just cut. And a little bit of onion. Just a garnish on top. And then a little bit of parsley. Now that the Ful Medames is done, many people will serve with warm pita bread or some vegetables of their own choice. It is a hearty meal by itself. So even if you don't have a vegetable, it's just fine just to eat like this one. I don't think you will have trouble trying this recipe because it's easy. It doesn't take much of your time. Like you can just finish this in like with the preparation. Maybe 10 minutes, so it's not a big deal. Like it's easy for breakfast. If you have like a big family, then you can just enjoy in a few minutes. Let us know what you think of the taste when you try this. I really appreciate you taking the time to join me today, and I hope it will be a success when you try this recipe. And if you want to find fava bean, you can go to an Arabic grocery store. For more information about the Global Child Feeding Program Touch a Life, click the link below this video. Right now, your gift to Touch a Life can put food on the table and hope in a child's heart. Don't wait, change a life today. Please remember to give us a like, subscribe, and leave us your comments and questions. I hope you will join me next time as we prepare another meal from another country. See you soon, Sunta!